So with your volume fans, the number one or the most common mistake people make is they lay the back of their fan in their glue, wicking up too much product. The trick with volume fans is that you really only want the point of your V to go in the adhesive. So to create my fan, I'm grabbing 3 to 4 to 5 lashes, depending how many D I want. I'm twisting a little bit at the base. So I grab them, I lift them off the sticky tape, and then I'm using the point of my tweezer just to maneuver the hairs to create the spacing I like. And once I have the perfect looking fan, I'm going to go ahead and clamp down on it without pulling forward or backwards. So I'm holding the hairs in position, and then I'm squeezing hard, but the lift off is a down up, almost like a trampoline, to keep my bases together. And just a little bit of glue. Remember not to lay your fan in the adhesive, you just want the tip of the V to go in the adhesive. We would isolate the natural hairs just like always, and then apply our fan to the base of the natural hair. And I like to count to 2, 1, 2 before releasing, so that your fan doesn't collapse. If you find that your fan is collapsing and looks like one giant classic lash, that could mean you're using either too much adhesive or you're letting go too quickly.